Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This C-Class is ready and waiting to reward you with finely tuned responses no matter which road you choose. Standard agility control suspension allows you to recalibrate to the road surface for a smoother ride. Attention assist will keep your attention where it needs to be. And with adaptive braking technology for a quicker response, you'll feel safe and secure racing around every corner. You'll love the Harman Kardon sound system and M-Brace technology.
Let even more of the outside in with a panoramic sunroof. This vehicle with its grippy all-wheel drive can handle anything Mother Nature throws at you. The blind spot indicator helps you maneuver through traffic.
Never settle when you can have it all. Take this C-Class for a drive and make it yours today.
Visit us online at tafelmotors.com. Call or stop in at 4156 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. A memorable experience awaits.